Mo, have you wrote the song yet?
I kind of had writer's block. I'm not sure exactly what I want to say yet, so I haven't got it yet.
Man, just write from your heart. Do it from your heart, okay?
Okay, I tell you what. I'm gonna think about it for a few minutes and see what I come up with, and I'll call you back in a little bit.
Okay, love ya.
Love you too.
Bye bye.
Okay, one time from the heart. Thinking back a few years ago when I was a young child, doing things young boys would do. Me and the boy, we was wild. Even when we were acting up and new punishment was coming our way, didn't realize it then. That was the love that made us the men we are today. It seemed just like yesterday. Tried to run away, y'all remember? Thinking Lean had the same idea. She went to Florida for the summer. What we both would discover in a very short time, that everything that we needed was in the love we left behind. You see, growing up, sometimes it wasn't easy, and sometimes we might not have seen eye to eye. But one thing I know for sure is that I love you, and God loved me so much that He gave me you. When I needed a teacher to teach me right from wrong, He gave me you. When I needed a shoulder to cry on and lean on, He gave me you. When I needed a protector to make me feel safe, someone to pick me up and hold me and put a smile back on my face. When I need a co-signer to buy my first car, to cheer me on from the sideline, to make me feel like I'm a star, to carry me to the doctor. Your first grandson was on the way. Every time I needed you, you were there night and day. Now that I'm much older, I understand the lessons you taught. Like our family was important, that's a lesson I never forgot. Even though sometimes us kids didn't seem to get along, at the end of the day, we knew our love would stand strong. Remember all those vacations in that old green station wagon? You and Mom in the front refereeing all those fights we was having. I didn't know it then, but as I look back now, I can say that our family's strong today because of seeds you planted yesterday. You see, growing up, sometimes it wasn't easy, and sometimes we didn't see eye to eye. But one thing I know for sure is that I love you, and God loved me so much that He, when I needed a teacher to teach me right from wrong, when I needed a shoulder to cry on and lean on, when I needed a protector to make me feel safe, someone to pick me up and hold me, put a smile back on my face. When I needed a cosign to help me buy my first car, to cheer me on from the sidelines, to make me feel like I'm a star, to carry me to the doctor. Your first grandson was on the way. Every time I needed you, you were there night and day. God so loved us, oh how He loved us. He really loved us so much that He looked around heaven and found that even good was not good enough. So He looked even higher because of His desire and
good-looking, God-loving, funny, witty, wonderful, smart.
Hey, Pops, this is your baby boy, Derek. Throughout the years, you've been my father, my guide, my teacher, my strength, my pride, my everything.
Silly, honorable, savvy, cool, strong, caring, giving, loving.
Dad, having you in my life has been more than amazing. I thank God that He has blessed me to have a father like you. I just love it when people ask, who's your dad? And I can tell them who my father is. You are truly an angel.
Dad, this is Ellie. I just want you to know that you are the most loving and giving person that I know. Someone that makes friends with everybody wherever we go. That's why our family is so big. Sometimes I hate sharing you, but I understand that I have to.
Thoughtful, understanding, helpful, and just plain old awesome. Yep, that's you, Dad.
I love you, Dad.
We love you, Dad.
I love you, Dad.
On your birthday, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Dad.